The new Google Fitbit Air is getting massive attention because it's bringing a lightweight screenless fitness tracker experience similar to Whoop, but at a much lower price and without forcing expensive subscriptions. And after early hands-on testing, many users are actually impressed with how comfortable, simple, and smart this new Fitbit feels. So in this video, let's look at the top features of the new Fitbit Air and why it could become one of the most interesting fitness trackers of 2026. Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Subscribe for more latest tech updates. Lightweight screenless design. The biggest highlight of the Fitbit Air is definitely the minimalist screenless design. It weighs only around 12 grams and feels extremely light on the wrist, even during sleep and workouts. Many early users are saying it almost disappears while wearing it. Google also designed it more like a wellness band instead of a smartwatch, so there are no distracting notifications or apps constantly pulling your attention away. Advanced health tracking. Even without a display, Fitbit Air still includes impressive health sensors. You get 24/7 heart rate monitoring, HRV tracking, SpO2 monitoring, sleep stages, resting heart rate, stress tracking, and skin temperature monitoring. Google is clearly focusing heavily on passive health tracking and recovery insights with this device. AI-powered Google Health Coach. One of the biggest new upgrades is Google's AI-powered Health Coach, built into the new Google Health app. The system gives personalized wellness recommendations, workout suggestions, recovery guidance, sleep insights, and even nutrition support using AI. Honestly, this is one of the main reasons Fitbit Air feels different from older Fitbit products. 7-day battery life. Battery life is another strong point. Google claims around 7 days of battery life, and early hands-on impressions are mostly confirming that. The tracker also supports fast charging, where just a few minutes of charging can provide enough power for a full day. Automatic workout tracking. Fitbit Air can automatically detect workouts and sync everything directly to the Google Health app. This makes it much easier for users who don't want to manually start workout sessions all the time. New Google Health ecosystem. Google is now replacing the Fitbit app with the new Google Health platform. The interface looks cleaner, more modern, and much more focused on AI-powered wellness insights. Everything from sleep tracking to recovery and activity trends now feels more connected inside one ecosystem. Water resistance and daily comfort. Fitbit Air also supports 5 atmospheres water resistance, so you can wear it during workouts, rain, showers, and swimming sessions. And because there's no screen, the band feels much more comfortable during sleep compared to traditional smartwatches. Affordable price. This is honestly where Fitbit Air becomes very interesting. The tracker starts around $99, which is dramatically cheaper than devices like Whoop, while still offering many core health and recovery features. And unlike Whoop, you can still use the tracker without paying expensive yearly subscriptions. Final thoughts. The Fitbit Air is clearly designed for users who want simple health tracking, long battery life, lightweight comfort, and AI-powered wellness insights without smartwatch distractions. It may not replace advanced sports watches for serious athletes, but for casual fitness users, honestly, this could become one of the best affordable fitness trackers available right now. So yeah, the Fitbit Air looks like a very smart move from Google, especially for users looking for a simpler and cheaper alternative to Whoop. Let me know what you think about it. Subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more latest tech updates.